Sri Subhash Chandra Singh. Please.
Point of order, sir.
Tell me, what is the point? What rule?
Sir, rule number 238(5) and rule 238(3). Both the rules I am invoking, sir. I draw your kind attention.
Please tell me what is the subject.
On the last occasion, one of the Telugu Desam Party members of this House has raised certain issues which are objectionable and should not have been raised in this House, which your good self has permitted him to speak. And I want these observations to be expunged, which you have not done.
That cannot be a point of order. You can write to me. Definitely, if there is something which is not allowed as per the rules,
sir,
and objectionable, that will be taken care.
Sir,
but you can't just on a point of order.
Sir,
point of order can be at the time of speaking.
Sir, sir, one more.
No, yes, I have agreed now, so please send it to me. Don't go into the merits, please. Don't go into the merits. This will not go on record. Right. Who is that? Sri Vinay Viswam. Vinay Viswam. Please. No, please. Don't. You are in this house, and then you have to follow the rules. Please, no, that's not the way. Please sit down and follow the rules. And you are raising point of order, quoting a rule without following the rule. Not good. You are saying chairman is biased. Sri Subhash Chandra Singh.
Sir.
Sri Vinay Viswam. Sri Vinay Viswam and the other person has given a notice for suspension of rules. Both the notices, I have gone through it and I have not permitted.
Sir, 1 minute,
we will discuss it in normal course.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Sri Subhash Chandra Singh.
Sir.
Sri Subhash Chandra Singh.
Sir, just 1 minute,
Sri
sir.
Subhash Chandra Singh.
Sir,
please. Sri Subhash Chandra Singh. Sri Subhash Chandra Singh. This is not going both ways in the
sir, gallery number 4,
electronic way. Sri Subhash Chandra Singh.
Sir, gallery number 4, sir.
Sri Subhash Chandra Singh.
Sir, sir, gallery number 4, sir. Sir, chairman, sir. Sir, ओडिशा रे जनसंख्या 4.5 कोटी लोक भितरु पश्चिम ओडिशा सर पश्चिम ओडिशा रे सारे सर्वाधिक आमर जो माने गरीब लोक आदिवासी लोक हरिजन लोक जो माने सर केंदु
you know the rules. You cannot say like that.
10 लाख वर्कर
right.
सारे 80 भाग
you have given more opportunities to you.
बहुत दुर्बल जीएसटी 18% टांको ऊपर जो धार्य करा जायछि से जीएसटी अतीत रे 5% थिला.
All remarks will be expunged if they are objectionable and if there is anything what you say is substantial.
सारे मार्च मासरु जून मास पर्यंत केंदु लिपिरे काम करंती जीवन रोजी रोटी बंचिया पई ए महिला माने उपकृत होई परिबे. माननीय मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पटनायक ओडिसा माननीय मुख्यमंत्री 2 थर चिठी लिखि सारे अर्थ मंत्रालय को जीएसटी चेयरमैन को ए संपर्क में माननीय अध्यक्ष जरिया किसी निर्देशनामा आसवा दरकार. यही गरीब महिला जो माने 10 लाख ओडिशा रे काम करछंती 80 भाग महिला सेतिर अछंते सेमानकर बोनस रे सेमानकर किछि बुद्धि हबो प्राप्य रे वृद्धि हबो सेमाने सुरक्षित हे परिबे. गोटे बड़ समस्या ओडिशा रे केंदुलिप वर्कर मानक पई माननीय चेयरमैन ये निर्देशनामा केंद्र सरकार एक क्षेत्र में किसी निष्पत्ति नवा दरकार. 18% जीएसटी को कमाई अतीत 5% है से 5% यदि करा जाई पारिबो ताले 10 लाख केंदुलिप वर्कर
श्री सैयद जफर इस्लाम
मार्च जून पर्यंत काम.
सैयद जफर इस्लाम.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
Syed Jafar Islam from Lok Sabha over.
From Lok Sabha, sir. Sir.
Okay, Subhash Chandra.
Thank you very
special mentions, you have to lay.
Sir, at the beginning of 0 hour, certain references were made to the chair by certain members of a certain political party. So they were highly objectionable references, and I would request you to please take note of it and take the necessary actions.
सर 0 आवर समाप्त हो गया, लेकिन कभी-कभी विषय इतना महत्वपूर्ण होता है. उत्तराखंड के चमोली में ग्लेशियर के
Coming to this, see, I feel really sad today. Never it has happened.
This is not desirable, sir. All the as person on the chair, sir, nobody appreciates it, sir. So there should be not only be condemned, sir, some certain actions should also be taken as per the rule.
See, any member speaking, if anything objectionable is said, many member can bring it to the chairman's notice, and then after examination, such remarks are expunged. To my knowledge, nobody raised objection or protested. Nothing was brought to my notice. And even if suppose it was not done, subsequently parties or persons realize, they should give a notice, and then I should go through it and then take appropriate action, which we have been doing so. But this sort of, in spite of chairman saying this is not done, continuously making allegations. The idea is to make chairman dysfunctional. Dysfunctional. And there are methods. If you don't have confidence in the chairman, I have no problem. But I will not be cowed down by this sort of efforts for making the chair dysfunctional. The day I assumed this post, even before I accepted this proposal, I have resigned from the party. And since then, I have not been going to any political programs or attending any such functions where they are affiliated to one particular part. And this is a decision for me during the course of my lifetime because of this August 4, this constitutional responsibility in the House. I thought that's proper to do it. I have done it. And suddenly somebody says that your body is here, heart is there and somewhere and all. My heart is with the country. My heart is with the Constitution. My heart is with the people of India. I don't worry about this, but as a human being, normally it pains. I'm happy the leader of the opposition and the chief whip and other seniors have taken note of it. And the other leaders of the parties also disassociated with such remarks. I feel really sad. Priyanka Chaturvedi also has given a notice for suspension of business that you please give a notice on it under different this thing, and I will examine it, Priyanka ji. And as far as the issue of the Uttarakhand is concerned, the entire House and for that matter country is really concerned. It feels sad of what has happened.